perfect modem install starts with a solution built to prevent those problems entirely. Flight is a fully managed modem service that keeps your equipment connected, secure, and monitored around the clock. A perfect install also means the modem is properly labeled, tagged, and connected to your controller. This ensures a smooth billing process, where the back and front offices are aligned. Flight is designed to be easy to set up, so you can get connected quickly without unnecessary complexity. It's reliable day one, with multi-carrier connectivity and automatic carrier selection. Flight keeps your system online, even in challenging signal conditions. A perfect install means total visibility. You can see what's happening in real time, your modem health, connectivity status, and field performance. It also means fewer site visits. With secure remote access, you can check systems, make adjustments, and retrieve data without being on site, save time, and improving response. But what really makes an install perfect? You're not managing it all by yourself. Flight combines advanced technology with real human oversight. A dedicated team continuously monitors your devices to ensure they're online, secure, and performing as expected.